Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Manchurian burger. Now you must be thinking what is a Manchurian burger, okay? So you have had aloo patty burgers like McAloo Tikki and at Burger King and Jumbo King. So this is an amalgamation of your favorite veg Manchurian and normal McAloo Tikki burger. Okay, so let's begin the process. For that, first we'll be prepping the Manchurian sauce, then the patty, and then we'll be assembling it. First, heat the oil in a pan. Now, add ginger garlic, very finely chopped. Upon browning, add your onions. Once your onion turns brown, golden brown, add your capsicum. Add your salt, pepper, chili sauce, soy sauce, and stir it nicely. You don't have to cook veggies too much. You can use MSG over here if you want. That is Chinese salt. Also, a little ketchup does no harm. If you like it, you can add in here. This is corn flour slurry, which is like 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with half cup water. This will thicken the sauce. So your Manchurian sauce is almost ready. We'll cook it for 2 minutes. Garnish it with coriander. And upon getting the final consistency, we'll switch off the gas. Now start making the patty. For that you'll need 2 aloo, boiled aloos, potatoes, some cabbage, some green chili, some capsicum. You can use any veggie of your choice. Here I'm adding corn flour, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon maida, 1 tablespoon rice flour. I'll be adding salt, pepper, Szechuan sauce, ginger garlic paste to it, and MSG. And I'll bind it nicely and form tikkis. This is salt. Here goes in your MSG, that is Chinese salt. Some people usually avoid it, but I don't feel like, so I use it. Pepper. Ginger garlic paste. Now Szechuan sauce depends on how spicy you like it, because I have already added chopped green chilies over here, so I'll use a little bit of Szechuan sauce because it's way too spicy for my taste buds. Form tikkis, knead it gently. Now heat the oil in a kadai or pan. Upon heating it, add your tikkis. Gently fry your tikkis, don't stir it too much, otherwise it will break down. Once it reaches nice golden color, take it out. Now for prepping the sauce, here I am using cheesy sauce and barbecue mayo from Wingreen's. If you don't have that, you can simply use your mayonnaise, regular mayonnaise, along with your ketchup, a little bit of chili flakes, but here I have these sauces, so I'll be combining these three. Give it a good whisk. Apply it on your buns on both the sides. Gently spread it all over. Now pour over your Manchurian sauce. Spread it nicely. Now the Manchurian sauce has to be more on the lower side of the buns, and on the upper side you have to just use it for just simply for taste, not too much. Now assemble your burger by putting on your veggies. I'm using cabbage, tomato, and onions over here. You can use pickled cucumbers, carrots. Once again, use your Manchurian sauce. You can completely skip it if you don't feel like adding too much sauce. Put your patty. I forgot to shoot it. Now I'll be adding cheese to it, and then I'll be covering the burger and giving it the final touch. It's ready. Plate it in a manner you like it. Enjoy hot with beer, cold drink, alongside with fries or chips of your choice. Ta-da! Enjoy!